Hello, I'm Rhonda Buttery, and I'm here today for Esoteric Technologies to show you how to cast an Ingress chart in Astro Gold for Mac. The first thing we need to do is to select the planets that you want to use, and by clicking on Select and then Displayed Points, you can choose any of the planetary sets that are in your system. Today I'm using planets and Chiron. Now, an Ingress chart is used by weather predictors and by mundane astrologers. The Aries Ingress in March, first off, to look for the flavour of the coming year. We can also cast Ingress charts for every time the sun moves into one of the cardinal signs, which are, in order, Aries, Cancer, Libra, and Capricorn. So first thing we need to do is select subsidiary from either the toolbar or from select and then subsidiary chart. Both methods will take you to exactly the same place, and here we fill in the information that we need for the chart. We're looking at an Ingress chart, so that's the second one on the method list here. We want to put in a time that's going to pick up the Ingress that we're looking for. So if I type the 1st of March 2023, the system will know that I'm looking at the Aries Ingress, which is about the 21st of March. The time doesn't matter because it's when the sun moves into North Aries, not at a time we decide it might like to happen. For a solar ingress, the sun is the planet we're looking at. And we're looking at not returning to natal, but we're looking at ingress into North Aries. And if you want to do the other ingresses through the year, you just come back and do it to Cancer, Libra, or Capricorn. But today we're focusing on the Aries ingress in March. Which ingress or return relative to the specified time? So my specified time is here. I want the nearest one to that time, which will take me to the 21st about of March. Then I click the calculate, and hey presto, I have my ingress chart when the sun was exactly 0 degrees and 0 minutes of Aries. Now, how simple is that? You can view your chart by different methods by clicking on Sheet and one wheel. Going up to the one chart section, you can see just the wheel. You can see the aspect grid, and you can also get all sorts of other information by clicking on different pages that are available in the Sheets menu. We'll just come out of there for now. If I want to save the chart, I click Save, and I might have a special folder for ingresses if I'm doing a lot of it. So if I make a new folder, I'm going to click on Options, a new file. I don't click on New Folder, I click on Options, and then I click on Create a New Chart File, give it a name, and I'll call this Ingress. And my toolbar's in the way. Click on the Create button, and away we go. And now the computer's thinking about it. Goodness me, it's thinking and thinking and thinking this afternoon. Okay, let's see if that worked. I've just escaped out of there. We'll see how we go. Okay, let's try again. Save. I want to create a new file, and it has to be Options, New Chart File, Ingress, Create. That's better. Okay, so now we've got a new chart file called Ingress, and it'll be down here because they've got underscores in front of them. Ingress, there's my new chart file. And then I click on save. And now when I come back to my chart, it is saved. It's probably not a bad idea to edit the name of the chart so it tells you which ingress it is. The chart data will tell you, but it won't be displayed in the name. When we move through the year, if you want to create the next ingress, click on select, click on subsidiary chart, click on ingress. It's still set for solar because the system remembers what I did last time. We don't want return to natal, we want return to North Cancer. The nearest one to the 1st of March, or I can go through and tell it that I want to be in June. 2023, calculate the chart. And there's our Cancer chart. Now, if I want to edit that, edit chart, Sun at Cancer, 2023. And now I know when I look at the chart that it is going to be, goodness me, what did I do? I'm going to fix that again. Edit chart. Must have hit the wrong key there. We don't need all of that. And in fact, I would make mine say Cancer Ingress 2023. So there's my chart. 0 degrees, 0 degrees, and it's set for Brisbane for my location. If I want to save that one, I click save, and I'll keep that in the Ingress chart as well. And then when I'm opening my charts and go to the Ingress chart, that's the last one I used, so the system remembers. And there's my Cancer Ingress 2023. And if I wanted to change that Aries one, I'll click on it, edit, and change the name to Aries Ingress 2023. Calculate, and there it is. File management makes your life so much easier. And if you don't have time to fix it when you're starting, when are you going to have time to go back and repair it? I'm Rhonda Buttery. I'm here for Esoteric Technologies. Thank you for being with us this afternoon. Enjoy your software, and I hope you found this session useful. Good night.